Hello children, welcome to Read Kids. Let's have a short game. Guess the animals in the farm. Are you ready children? Here are the mechanics. Let's begin. It's a big farm animal. It likes to eat grass. It provides milk. It makes the sound moo. What animal is this? Good job! It's a cow. Its baby is called a chick. It has feathers. It can lay eggs. It makes the sound cluck, cluck. What animal is this? It's a hen. Its baby is called a lamb. It likes to eat grass. It provides wool. It makes the sound ba, ba. What animal is this? It's a sheep. Its baby is called a duckling. It has feathers. It has webbed feet. It makes the sound quack, quack. What animal is this? It's a duck. It runs fast. Its baby is called a foal. It can be ridden. It makes the sound nah. What animal is this? It's a horse. It's bigger than a chicken. It has huge feathers. Its baby is called a poult. It makes the sound gobble, gobble. What animal is this? It's a turkey. Good job, children. Here's your golden star.